Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to a menu where you can access various settings and features within Viber. Once you're in the More section, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can manage all your account preferences, notifications, and privacy controls. The Settings menu gives you complete control over how your Viber profile appears to others and how the app functions on your device. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find Privacy. Tap on Privacy to access all the privacy-related settings for your account. This section is crucial because it controls what information you share with other Viber users and what remains private to you. After entering the privacy settings, you'll see a list of different privacy options you can customize. Look for the option that says Share Your Birth Date. This is the specific setting that controls whether your birthday is visible to your contacts or remains hidden from view. By default, this option might be enabled, which means your birthday is currently being shared with others on the platform. To hide your birthday, simply tap on Share Your Birth Date. You'll notice a radio button next to it. When you tap it, the radio button will become unchecked, which means your birthday will no longer be visible to anyone on Viber. This gives you more control over your personal information and ensures your privacy is protected exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your birthday on Viber, giving you more control over your personal information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.